Good morning to all. Welcome to GPAT online classes. Today we are going to discuss about soft gelatin capsules. Soft gelatin capsules are also called as soft elastic capsules or soft gels. Soft elastic capsules or soft gels. They are used to enclosing liquids, pastes and semi-solids. Soft gelatin capsules are used to enclosing liquid medicaments, paste and semi-solid, whereas hard gelatin capsules are used to enclosing solid medicaments. The shape of the soft gelatin capsules are round shape, oval, oblong, and tubular shape. Round shape, oval, oblong, and tubular shape. Nature of the capsule shell. Basically, capsule shell is composed of three main components. They are gelatin, plasticizer, and water. According to USP, gelatin has special parameters like bloom strength, viscosity, and iron content, which makes it best possible ingredient for capsule shell. What is bloom strength? Bloom strength is the measure of the cohesive strength of the cross linking that occurs between the molecules of gelatin, and it is proportional to the molecular weight of gelatin. The bloom strength ranges from 150 to 250 grams. The cost of the gelatin is directly proportional to its bloom strength. The cost of the gelatin is directly proportional to its bloom strength. Viscosity. Viscosity of the gelatin can range from 25 to 45 millipoise. Iron content. Gelatin used in soft gelatin capsules should not contain not more than 15 ppm of the iron. Nature of the capsule shell content. The content of soft gelatin capsule is a liquid or a combination of miscible liquids, a solution of solids in liquids, or a suspension of solid in liquids. Liquids are an essential part of the capsule content. Liquids which are both water miscible and volatile cannot be included. The liquids which are both water miscible and volatile cannot be included as major constituents of the capsule content because they can migrate into the hydrophilic gelatin shell and volatilize from its surface. Plasticizers like glycerin and propylene glycol cannot be major constituents of the capsule content since their softening effect on the gelatin shell their softening effect on the gelatin shell makes the capsule susceptible to the effects of heat and humidity. The most widely used liquids for human use are oily active ingredients like clofibrate, vegetable oil like soya bean, mineral oils, and surface active ingredients. Base adsorption. Base adsorption is the number of grams of liquid required to produce capsulatable mixture when mixed with 1 gram of solid. The formula for base absorption is weight of the liquid base by weight of the solid. Weight of the liquid base by weight of the solid. Base absorption is used to determine minimum per gram factor of the solids. The formula is minimum per gram factor is equal to base adsorption plus 1 gram of solid into volume in minims by W. W here, W is weight of the mixture. This is the formula. Minimum per gram factor is used mostly in vitamin formulations. The lower the base absorption of the solid and higher the density of the mixture, then the smaller the capsule size. The maximum capsule size and shape for convenient oral use in humans is 20 mm oblong, 16 mm oval, and 9 mm round. Methods of manufacture. So methods for manufacture of soft gelatin capsules are: first one is plate process, second one is the rot die process. First one is plate process, second one is rotary die process, third one is aquagel capsule filling machine. This machine is the only equipment that accurately fills powdered dry solids into the soft gelatin capsules. And the last one is Norton capsule filling machine. There are four machines or equipments which are used for manufacturing of the capsules, soft gelatin capsules. In that, Aquagel capsule filling machine is the only equipment which accurately fills the powdered dry solids into the soft gelatin capsules. The production capacity of each of these machines is determined by three components. First one is die size, second one is the speed of the machine, and third one is the physical characteristics of the material to be capsulated. So this is all about the soft gelatin capsules. Thank you very much.